You can build a strong bond anytime you're working together as father and son. I think I learn a little bit from him, he learns a little bit from me, and be proud that we made the channel together.
I'm Evan.
I'm Jared, I'm Evan's dad.
And we make YouTube videos as a family, and we've been doing it for over 7 years. We have 6 channels, so there's...
6 channels?
We do?
5.
No, we have 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that is 5. All right, so we have 5 channels. Toys have been a big part of my channel for many years, and today we're gonna take it to the next level by creating our own toy with the help of Chromebook. We came here to Otis College of Art and Design to make a toy with the design team. And in creating my own toy, the inspiration is just other superheroes I've seen, but kind of with my own twist on it.
We really like Family Link on Chromebook. It's a great tool for parents to monitor, set limits. Kids love their technology. There's just so much to do. It's been a lot easier to get a digital reminder rather than us parents trying to hound them. All right, so how's it coming along?
Good.
Oh, nice. So
All right.
what kind of superpower is your superhero gonna have?
Invisibility.
Okay, let's send it over to the design lab.
All right.
I think it's really cool that we're here at Otis where they do all sorts of cool things with art.
Hello.
I'm Marcus, welcome to the toy design department.
Thanks for having us. Well, Evan's always been a creative kid, doodling, creating his own characters. Family Link helps set time limits for things we think are beneficial rather than just pure entertainment. He uses a lot of Photoshop and does a lot of his graphic design on there. We definitely allow more time for that.
In Adobe Sketch, it was pretty cool to sketch out stuff. It was really cool how it flips into tablet mode because number one, it's easy to do. You just fold it and then it's right there. It's different than drawing on paper because you can do a lot of other things that you can't, like select your own brush, adjust the settings that you can't really do on a normal pencil or pen, and you can erase as well.
Yeah, I remember when I was learning to draw and I would erase so much I'd make a hole in the paper. Now it's just a click.
So we can take this now and we can go ahead and send it off to the 3D printer and get it started.
Cool.
Looks just like the sketch. It was cool when we saw it for the first time because pretty mind-blowing how things go from sketches to 3D. I do a lot of toys on my channel, and now I am a toy.
We're all about following your passion and doing what you love to do. Whatever we can do to help him with that, whether it's providing moral encouragement or providing a good education, that's what we're gonna do.